Couscous is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of heritage, family, and tradition. Originating from North Africa, this ancient recipe has been passed down for centuries, from Berber kitchens to today's family tables. In Algerian culture, it's more than food. It's a ritual. Every Friday, families gather around a shared plate of couscous. Today's recipe is a beloved Algerian classic, red sauce couscous, made with tender meat, vegetables, and warm spices. More than just a meal, it's a dish that brings people together, rich in flavor, history, and cultural meaning. Start by making the sauce. In a stock pot or pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of oil and turn the heat to medium. Once the oil is hot, add the meat of your choice, chicken or lamb. Chop 1 large onion and 1 medium tomato, and blend them with a little water using an immersion blender. Pour the mixture into the pot and reduce the heat to low. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and a cube of chicken stock. If you like extra heat, add 2 dried red chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and mix well. Let it simmer for a few minutes to develop the flavors. Pour in about 1.5 liters of hot water, or enough to cover the meat, and bring the mixture to a simmer. Add 100 grams of chickpeas that have been soaked overnight. If you're using pre-cooked chickpeas, add them later with the vegetables. Secure the pressure cooker lid and cook on medium heat until the meat is tender. Release the pressure and remove the meat. Add 2 whole zucchinis, 2 whole carrots, and 2 whole turnips. Seal the pressure cooker again and cook for 5 more minutes. The end result is a rich and aromatic sauce with a little kick at the end. In a large, wide, shallow wooden dish called a couscous, add 1 kilogram of medium-grain couscous. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix well so the oil coats each couscous grain. In a separate pot, add about 1.5 inches of water. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat, then reduce the temperature to medium. Load the couscous into a steel steamer and place it over the pot. When steam starts to rise through the couscous, remove it and return it to the couscous. Add enough water to cover the couscous by about 1 centimeter. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil. Then mix. Let it rest until all the water is absorbed. Give it a taste. It should be tender. If not, add a bit more water and let it rest again. Steam the couscous a second time by placing it back in the steamer over the pot. Once steam rises again, remove the couscous. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix gently. In a deep plate, place a generous amount of couscous. Cut the vegetables in half and arrange them around the couscous. Add the chickpeas in the center. Then top with the meat. Spoon the sauce over the top as much as you like. The couscous is light and fluffy, the vegetables tender, and the sauce rich and fragrant. Each bite is a comforting mix of warmth, spice, and tradition, a perfect celebration of Algerian flavors.